Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook egusi soup. Here I have my Titus fish. I have my bitter leaf. You can use any leaf of your choice. Today I'm using bitter leaf. Here I have my dry fish. I have my grounded crayfish. I have my egusi, grounded egusi here. I've already grounded it, as you can see. I'm going to be cooking it with meat, assorted meat. If you want your egusi soup to come out like an egg, you mix it with grounded onions. You can see how it looks like. I'll mix it with grounded onions with water. It's soft. So this is the egusi. If you cook your egusi like this, it will come out like an egg. Here I have my palm oil. I'm going to be frying the egusi. They say the oil is hot. They don't allow it to be too hot or rich. Just let the oil to be hot. So I'm going to be adding my onions. I'm going to add onions, palm oil. They add your egusi. This is it. I fry it. You can see how it come out like an egg. So you have to fry it very well so that it will be dry. It's dry now. It's come out like egg. So I'm going to steam it. Just add water. This is how I cook my egusi. So after frying, I add small water. Then I will lower the gas. So I'm going to put the gas in a low heat, low flame, so that it will not burn. So I add a little water. So I want to steam it. Make sure you always grind your egusi. After you grind your egusi, you grind onions. Then use your onions to mix your egusi with small water. Then fry it very well and allow it to dry. Please don't allow it to burn. You know, to burn will not look nice. See, I just add small water. I'm going to cover it. I'm just going to cover it for a few minutes, just like 5 minutes, to allow it to steam. Okay, let's check our meat. You know how this one is doing. It's ready. Here I have my meat, the dry fish. I'm going to add Maggi cube. This is non-Maggi, so I'm going to add more Maggi. I'm just going to add 2. Then add a little bit of salt. The salt. let's check how it's look like now. Let's see. See how it comes out. This is my my secret recipe. It's how I cook egusi soup. Anytime I cook egusi soup like this, it's really delicious, and everyone loves eating it. So you can see. This is the secret of my egusi. My customers always ask me, how come you cook egusi and it come out like an egg? How did you cook it? So in today I decided to show all my loved ones how I cook that delicious egusi soup that everyone loves to eat. So you can see how it looks like. So now I'm going to turn it to my sauce. I'm going to put this in my sauce, my meat sauce. So I just transfer it here. Then cover it for a few minutes. Let's check how our soup is doing. See that I was telling you? See how it look like. So I'm going to cook it for like 15 minutes. I'm going to add my crayfish. I'm going to add my turmeric. Just little one. You can use any vegetable of your choice. Our soup is ready. You can eat it with eba. You can eat it with fufu, popularly known as akpu in Nigeria. You can eat it with padayam, semo, amala. So it's ready. You can see how it looks like. So I'll show you. Thank you for watching. Please, if you are not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, thank you. May God bless you. And click the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. This is how my egusi soup look like.